Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter N96 turbo with EcoBoost, pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For wheels, we've got 19-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. An espresso brown MB-Tex interior, sunroof, captain's chairs in the rear, third row seating. Coming along back, we've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of both all-season and regular floor mats, fold down third row seats, coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, a dark gray linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, power windows. In, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Up front we've got two 12.3 high resolution touchscreens for your media display. We've got navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS 450 has 8,093 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.